In late March 2024, the client finally visited our company. With the collaborative efforts of all team members, we delivered an impressive customer reception. The event was meticulously scheduled, with professional factory tours, discussion of details, impressive 6S management contributing to a pleasant working environment, and successful business negotiations. The staff exhibited a positive and enthusiastic attitude, leaving the client delighted. The atmosphere was elevated with flowers, gifts, and banquets, creating a sense of ceremoniousness. The client's final feedback was that our company's management exceeded that of European and American enterprises. They expressed a desire to engage in long-term cooperation with a company like ours. This feedback made me feel that all our previous efforts had paid off, and reinforced the sense of teamwork and achievement that we experienced. Despite a decade in foreign trade, I seemed not to have achieved many visible financial metrics that would allow me to fulfill my dream of exploring the world. However, within the past year, I felt a strong sense of accomplishment. Through this client visit, I've come to understand more deeply why I love this job so much, a love akin to how one feels about the moon, unburdened and tireless. I realized that traveling the right path alongside the right people can lead to genuine personal growth and fulfillment. While our footsteps may not have crossed continents, our hearts can connect with clients worldwide, establishing ourselves as the leading experts in delivering value in equipment across China. Let's collectively create our unique value together.